Not sure what this is. I know there's supposed to be a 302 MARC train here. This must be like a deadheading MARC. Oh, I see. Oh, look at this. Oh, I got it. So they're using, oh wow, they are using the this is the 302 MARC train here, and they're using the very far tracks. So you have to walk all the way across. Nice. Wow. Isn't that interesting? I'm not getting on. Wow, that's pretty wild. So they're using these far set of tracks. Everybody walks across. And I know there is, I know there's a northbound Northeast Regional. This is the southbound MARC train. It's pretty wild to have everybody cross by foot across these 3 high-speed rail tracks to get on the commuter train. Kind of bizarre, I think. But, you know, what do I know? I'm just here filming the Amtrak trains. This was just I guess, lucky catch. Alright, so I got a Northeast Regional northbound coming up, and then my MARC train that I'm going to take back to Odenton to check out the Odenton platform. Not so much from like 4:30 to 6 when I'm going to be there. But to check it out for tomorrow morning, and maybe the Halethorpe station as well. All right. Interesting.